Hello traders, I'm back here with my best analysis and the best trade of the day. Today is the 10th of February, Wednesday 2021, and let me share with you guys how I analyze market today and how my traders bank beautiful pips. All right, so let's dig into the system. Just to recap quickly, these are the intraday analyses alongside with the 4-hour analysis, and I use this system to trade live and produce live intraday analysis. If you would like to know about this system, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. And I analyze market twice a day, just before London Open and the New York session. And all of my live analysis recording instantly available here, and also broadcast those analyses in the analysis section. Once the analysis broadcast, we have when the opportunity is raised based on this analysis, we broadcast information through live audio commentary, and we discuss with the traders and provide a feedback in real time. So based on this live analysis, one of my traders bank, you can see here, 169 pips. I believe one or two trades still is open. So all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast. All right, so just before that, I'm just gonna go three pairs: Euro USD, pound dollar, and dollar CAD, and show you the journey for today. Just before that, let me share with you guys. You can see this is the breakdown of all of his trades. Mainly we were long on the pound dollar this morning. And the New York session we were short, and let me explain to you why. Okay, so you can see all these pips are 100% based on the analysis which you can see. This is the entry and this is the exit screenshot. System takes screenshot all of my traders trade, so we can coach them and guide them with the live markets. And based on that analysis, you can see here, okay, you can see based on that analysis, just before 7:30, as I mentioned you, London Open, you can see here pullback, and it took a long trade and banked beautiful pips. So most of the trades you can see based on that analysis nicely banked. And the last trade, you made a 7 pips, I believe. Yeah, that's another based on the analysis. And still, I think 2 trades are still open. That's a short on pound dollar, long on CAD. All right, so you can see all that trades. If you pick up any trades, let's say euro yen, let's say long trade here. Yeah, this one pretty straightforward based on the pullback long trade. And let me share with you which analysis he followed. You can see here this analysis, as I mentioned here, look for pullback, beautiful, nicely banked, beautiful pips. All these pips are 100% based on the analysis. All right, so let's dig into the three major pair. Euro USD, we were short, by the way, this morning. And as I said to you, we take this one, red fib channel, as soon as the price hit, and we look at in 4 hour. But before that, you can see here the price was at the major resistance level. So in the morning I did analysis. If I show you guys here, you can see here as a counter short trade just before 30, around 7:30, just before London Open. We were looking at counter short trade and bank beautiful pips. And then at the New York session we did another analysis. So based on this analysis, if you look at here right now, the price is already broken this channel. So because at the moment I'm not trading it, so you can see here breakout. So if the price continue, more safer trade if price develop another pullback. So more likely, if the price, we can see here, this is bearish engulfing candle. If the price gonna break this fib channel, then probably we're looking a short trade here. And tomorrow, let's see tomorrow. Okay, so let's take a dig into the pound dollar, and this is the journey for pound dollar for whole day. I'm gonna explain to you in more details. Let me share with you the 4 hour. We were long at this level, pull back, and afterwards short. As you can see, beautiful rejection. We were waiting that basically Fed speech, and after that basically we are taking a short trade here. All right, let me share with you the whole journey. That's the what exactly. You can see here 7:34 we explained to look pullback long, which you have seen that one of my traders bank beautiful pips in this one. Then afterwards we did another analysis. As soon as the price developed another pattern, we broadcast information instantly, bank another beautiful pips. Then we did another analysis in the New York session, pull back long, bank few more pips. Afterwards price came back and developed another pattern, broadcast that information instantly. As you can see, based on that, price nicely broken and I believe one of his trade are based on that analysis. Yes, that's right. You can see here, if I click on this open price, you can see when he opened the trade, you can see beautiful breakout. Based on that, he took a still holding that trade. He already banked a few pips holding that trade. Okay, so let's talk about the dollar CAD. That was an interesting trade today. Okay, so if you look at the, okay, let me explain to you what we are looking tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow, as we are intraday trader, by the way, so we look at the pattern based on that. But what we can see here, right now, we can see here price nicely rejected, and you can see beautiful bearish engulfing candle. So probably price might gonna continue. And if you look at the momentum, we already have the short trade. After the short trade, price nicely develop a retest. So let's see if the price, more likely if the price gonna continue, the target would be the 200 EMA. That's what exactly we're looking at. That's gonna be our first target, and that's gonna be our second target. So let's see tomorrow, guys. All right, so let's move to the dollar CAD. Let me share with you the whole journey of dollar CAD. In the morning, we did this analysis because the price was at, if let me share with you, the price was at this level. I can see that this is the daily support area, and we were looking at possibility if the price is going to stay below that short, otherwise reversal. And we did this analysis. Let me share with you, this is the analysis. You can see 742 and bank few pips, price reverse. Then afterwards, price develop another pattern, another analysis, another beautiful pips, breakout and pull back. And afterwards, price reverse, develop another pattern, because we have seen that the price, if you look at the bottom, the price develop diversion, and we explained, we were watching in 4 hour. We had a beautiful, at that time, we had the second candle. You can see here, based on that, we had, based on this one, we did another analysis and banked beautiful pips, which my traders already banked few pips. And then afterwards, we did another analysis, you can see here. And right now, the price already broken. And now we are looking a long trade. You can see here, price nicely respected the support level. So we're expecting at least the price going to continue. That probably going to hit this level, or at least this level. So if you look at here, we have a consolidation, sort of, you can see here, head and shoulder type of pattern is developed, but we'll see momentum is developing bullish. And if we see if the price gonna break this one, then probably tomorrow we're gonna be taking a pullback longs on dollar CAD. All right, guys, so you can see here 169 pips based on all this analysis. Let me share with you a couple of today's analysis very quickly. We have lots of analysis today. Okay, just to recap, you can see since 2018 I've been broadcasting this analysis to the professional traders and institutions. So you can see here, click on start button, you can see it's straightforward, pull back long on pound dollar. I'm going to do, guys, very quickly, and pretty straightforward. Another very small long trade on pound Swiss franc, counter short trade, euro USD, euro pound, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. Pound yen, that was a beautiful, you can see here, price nicely. And we also announced another one, and price nicely hit daily resistance level. We were watching in 4 hours, so beautiful trade. I've seen the traders bank beautiful pips on pound yen. Euro yen, pretty straightforward breakout long trade. Technically was a pullback. You can see in dollar, Aussie dollar, we were short here. Basically we're watching in 4 hours. Based on that, you can see counter short trade. And dollar CAD long trade, pound dollar long trade, dollar CAD another one short trade. Gold, we had a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, we announced all the short trades. And pound dollar pullback long trade, dollar CAD long trade. Kiwi dollar, pretty straightforward. You can see here, triangle pattern, we broke on and banked beautiful pips afterwards. As I always mention, after the breakout, pullback short trade, beautiful. And Aussie dollar, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. You can see at this level we haven't seen any green candle, price broken, and we're still looking. So technically we are still short, looking short. Hopefully tomorrow probably gonna have another pullback short on Aussie dollar. Pound dollar, pretty straightforward short trade, dollar CAD long trade. All right, guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all these analyses as we explain the whole journey of major three pairs. As you can see, that's what we do every single day. We analyze market and we basically look at those analyses, opportunities raised, we discuss with the traders, and we bank beautiful pips. And all these traders going to our managed accounts, and we also provide funding to the successful trader. So guys, so if you are, even if you don't have a forex trading experience, we also provide full forex coaching and training through this platform. My objective is to train trader with the live market, so where you can see all these patterns, all these movements. If you have any questions, you can ask instantly in real time. You will get the feedback. That's what we want, that to train people, educate with the live market. This is not a training about the systems or indicators or anything. This is purely price action trading, guys. Or even if you are struggling, I'm pretty sure you can develop your trading skills very effectively and very fast. Or even if you are an experienced trader, I'm pretty sure you will understand all the price action is a pretty standard industry standard price action, which you can see here. We already given this cheat sheet. If somebody don't understand the pattern we broadcast, they can reflect to this cheat sheet. So guys, so most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, and I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.